We've got to live a balanced life, and you have to set your goal as a balanced life to live well, to love, to learn, and to contribute. You can call your life a real, successful life as long as all these four elements are satisfied. You shouldn't live well for yourself. You should live well for those you love. Money alone is not enough. You have to be healthy, live a long life, and help others. Your life should be respected and loved by others. You have to envision a life in your mind in which all the four elements are satisfied. Without all of these, you can't say that you were fully successful. So, your life's goal should be this balanced life.